If you have a video, but you only like the audio within that video, the nice thing is that your iPhone comes pre-installed with the ability to extract the audio and save it as an MP3 file directly on your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. Take your finger and swipe down on your iPhone and type in shortcuts and tap on shortcuts. From here, make sure you're tapped on library at the bottom left and then tap on the plus at the top right. Where it says new shortcut, tap on the drop down arrow and tap on rename. And rename this video to audio or whatever you feel like renaming it to. And tap on the check mark. Now, if you swipe down, you'll see at the bottom, the I button is grayed out. So let's just add something random. Tap on search actions, add send message, and then hit the X to delete it out. For whatever reason, you need to add just something random for the I to show up. Now, if I swipe down, that I is no longer grayed out. I can tap on it, and I'm going to turn on show in share sheet. And then tap the check mark at the top right. Instead of receiving apps and 18 more, I'm going to tap where it says apps and 18 more. Tap on clear at the top left and only select media and then hit the check mark. Now, tap on search actions at the bottom and search for encode media. Tap on encode media. Where it says shortcut input, tap on the little drop down arrow next to it and toggle on audio only. Next, let's tap on search actions at the bottom and we will search for save and tap on save file. And now we're good to go. We can tap the back arrow and we've created that shortcut. I'll show you how it works. Let's hop out of here and open up the Photos app on your iPhone. Let me open up this video that I took. Tap on the share icon at the bottom left. Scroll down and you should see your shortcut video to audio. Just tap on it and you'll see at the top it starts to work to extract the audio from that video. After it's done, let's just hit open here. Sometimes that works, but if you're not able to find it, again, take your finger and swipe down and type in files. Tap on the Files app. You might need to tap on browse a couple times at the bottom right. And then tap on my iPhone. And then tap on downloads. And there is that downloaded and extracted MP3 or audio file from your video. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.